Diabetes diet. Have this protein-rich drink for breakfast to stabilize blood sugar levels naturally. Diet for diabetes. A study has found that having protein-rich milk for breakfast can help in regularizing blood sugar levels in latter half of the day. Diet for diabetes. Type 2 diabetes should avoid consumption of refined carbs. Story highlights type 2 diabetes causes high blood sugar levels. It can be managed by healthy diet and regular exercise. Milk for breakfast can be beneficial for type 2 diabetics. Type 2 diabetes management involves controlling blood sugar levels at all times. In diabetes diet, breakfast is known to play an essential role in management of blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes is a condition in which the pancreas are unable to produce enough insulin. Alternative methods are required to regulate blood sugar levels. These include dietary changes, regular exercise, stress management and regulation of sleep cycle. In this article, we are going to talk about how having milk for breakfast can help in regulating blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes patients. Type 2 diabetes, how having milk for breakfast may lower blood sugar levels. A study published in Journal of Dairy Science reveals that having milk for breakfast can lower blood glucose throughout the day. Researchers from Human Nutraceutical Research Unit at the University of Guelph, in collaboration with the University of Toronto, examined the effects of a protein-rich drink like milk can regulate blood sugar levels when consumed for breakfast. They also studied effects of milk on satiety after breakfast and after a second meal. Milk was found to reduce blood glucose. It also reduced appetite after the second meal. Milk for breakfast can help in reducing blood sugar levels after lunch. The study found photocredit, iStock milk, which contains whey protein, when consumed with high-carb breakfast cereal like cereals, reduced blood sugar levels, improved feelings of satiety and food consumption later in the day, according to this double-blinded, controlled and randomized study. Digestion of whey and casein protein, both of which are naturally available in milk, releases gastric hormones that slow digestion and increases feeling of fullness. Whey protein digestion helps in providing feeling of fullness quickly, while casein protein digestion provides a longer-lasting effect of feeling of fullness. Only a modest difference in food consumption was found during lunch in the study participants. But consumption of protein-rich milk with high-carb breakfast reduced blood sugar levels even after lunch. All in all, the study stresses on the importance of having milk for breakfast. A healthy breakfast is not just important in diabetes diet for blood sugar control, it is also important for weight loss and weight management. Apart from being a rich source of protein, milk is also a great source of calcium, a mineral that is required for healthy bones and teeth. Milk also contains traces of potassium which can help in regularizing blood pressure levels. Also read, vitamin D deficiency common in type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure patients, study type 2 diabetes management, tips for diabetes diet. It is important to source your milk from healthy and organic sources. Also, type 2 diabetes patients should consult their doctor before introducing any changes in their diabetes diet. We speak to Dr. Pramod Tripathi about benefits milk for breakfast for type 2 diabetes. Quite contrary to the study mentioned above, he believes that milk for breakfast may increase blood sugar levels. Pulses and vegetables are the best food groups to be included in following proportion in initial phase. 25% of your breakfast can be salads, 25% of it sprouts, and 50% of it can be cooked dal-based items like chilla, dokla, turda, dosa or idli made from mung, chana, lobia, urad, green gram, chickpeas, black-eyed beans, black gram, etc. He says that having refined carbs for breakfast can cause a spike in blood sugar levels. Refined carbs can cause sudden spike in blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes patients. Photocredit, iStock pulses contain 50 to 60% carbohydrates with more fiber. They cause a slower increase in blood sugar levels. They are also richer in protein, vitamins and minerals than grains in general. Different pulses also taste differently, which adds variety in satiety, he adds. Also read, Diabetes Diet. Know how many almonds you should eat to lower blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes foods. Foods that can be included in diabetes diet include non-starch vegetables like artichokes, beetroot, asparagus, broccoli, lycopene-rich tomatoes, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries and blackberries, citrus fruits, nuts and seeds and much more. Please subscribe my channel. Sunday the 24th of July. Thank you. Diabetes Diet. Have this protein-rich drink for breakfast to stabilize